Hi YouTubers and welcome to the Marty K from LA YouTube channel. This video shows how to connect your Bluetooth speaker to the new Icon golf carts with the new display. The key to audio with the new display with the Icon golf carts is that besides that they do not have speakers installed by the factory is that they do supply owners with a 3.5mm cable that has the output from the Icon display. The 3.5mm cable has a male end connector. It is situated behind the battery cabinet on the passenger side. In my first scenario, I am showing a rechargeable Bluetooth receiver transmitter. It has a switch to change from receive or transmit, a 3.5mm female connector, and a volume up or down switch. I have included Amazon associate affiliate links in the description of the Bluetooth transmitters and JBL flip speakers. The reason that I am using JBL flip speakers is that they fit easily in the locking glove compartments on the Icon golf cart. This is a pretty quick and easy setup. First step is to charge both the speaker and the Bluetooth transmitter. Second is to pair the two devices. Last step is to connect the 3.5mm cable from the wire bundle to the Bluetooth transmitter. That's it. You should now be able to play audio from your Icon display to your Bluetooth speaker. Please note that you have 3 adjustments for volume available to you. The volume control on the Icon display, the volume control on the Bluetooth transmitter, and of course the volume control on the speaker. A word of advice here. Make sure that you don't configure your setup that has the cart battery directly between the transmitter and speaker. The second option is a bit more complicated. In the second scenario, I am using a MII Bluetooth transmitter that is plugged into an inverter on the golf cart. This eliminates the need to have to charge the transmitter. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel.